students, in this introduction class I am going to discuss about syllabus of computer science standard 11th. Students, you can see these are entire topic of class 11th computer science. First topic is computer system organization. In short, you can say CO. Second chapter, data representation and Boolean logic. In this chapter, you will be able to learn about binary number and Boolean algebra. Next, computational thinking. Getting started with Python. In this chapter, you will be able to learn about computational thinking. What is computational thinking? From this chapter, you will learn about getting started with Python. Next, Python programming fundamental. This is Python programming fundamental. In this chapter, you will be able to learn about basics of Python. Next, conditional and looping construct. String in Python, list in Python, tuples and dictionary, introduction to Python models, error and exception handling. Students, I am going to discuss about point number 3 to 10. These all topics are related to Python programming language. Means you have to learn Python in class 11th. Computational thinking, Python programming fundamental, conditional and looping construct, a string in Python, list in Python, tuples and dictionary, introduction to Python modules, errors and exception handling. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 chapters are related to Python programming language. Means you can understand our 11th class syllabus is based on Python programming language. Next, database concept, DBMS. Next, SQL, a structured query language. And at last, cyber safety. These are the entire topic of class 11th. I want to add one more thing in this syllabus. This computer science syllabus is consist of 100 marks, 70 marks for theory and 30 marks for practical. Means you have to learn theory of 70 marks and you have to do practical of 30 marks. 70 plus 30 is equal to 100 marks. In this syllabus, you have to maintain a lab manual for your practical work and you have to maintain a separate copy for the entire theory chapter. Students, you can see first chapter computer system organization. This chapter is related to class 9 syllabus. We have learned these entire things in class 9 syllabus. Data representation, I have already taught you about data representation, number conversion, there are four types of number: binary number, decimal number, hexadecimal number, and octal number. If you know about the data representation, number system, this chapter is related to data representation and Boolean logic. You know about Boolean logic? What is Boolean logic? Boolean logic is a chapter. In this chapter, you have to learn about gates that you have learned in physics. Computational thinking, Python programming fundamentals, conditional and looping construct, string in Python, list in Python, tuples and dictionary, introduction to Python modules, error and exception handling, database concepts, SQL. These two chapters are new for you, and cyber safety. This cyber safety chapter is related to class 10 syllabus, and this is related to class 9. And this chapter you have already studied in previous classes. These are the entire topic of class 11 syllabus. I hope you have all understand this topic. Thank you very much.